We warmly welcome you to the INO-TUTORIAL. Entering the address inoshop.inovatools.eu opens the Inovatools purchasing portal for you. At the areas of Catalogs and Tool Finder you can find Inovatools Tools. In the Shop area, you can log in to carry out your personalized purchases under My Shop. Let's look now at the Catalog, Tool Finder and My Shop areas together. Catalogs. In the Catalogs area you will find the tools you need from our print catalogs, as usual. Tool Finder. If you are already familiar with the Inovatools article numbers, use the article number search directly. Enter the item group number and click on a displayed item group number. If present, shaft shapes and coating can be filtered. Click on the item overview to see the details. Videos can be viewed via the video show icon. By clicking on an article number, further article details are visible, and you can place the article in the shopping cart and save it as a favorite. A direct link takes you to INOCUT, Cutting Data, INOCOM, Digital Twins, 3D Step, View Step Model directly, and sizes, dimensions. Substitute items are displayed. The Tool Finder offers the following additional search options. Click on a category under the technologies milling, drilling, reaming or tapping. All items in this category are listed below. Within a technology, you can start a complex search. Select a tool category, a material, other features, dimensions, shaft shape or coating. My Shop. My Shop offers you the following personal options. Quick shopping, mass order. To buy items quickly or in larger quantities, use quick shopping to add an item number directly to the shopping cart and mass order to add multiple items directly to the shopping cart. Via Import Article. CSV. You can store article numbers and quantities directly from your ERP system in a CSV file and import them directly into the mass order via the CSV file. You can see details by clicking on the question mark button. My Favorites. This gives you access to saved favorite items. My Discounts. You can find a clear overview of all your discounts under My Discounts. A PDF for printing can also be created here. Shop Configuration. With this you can make VAT ID, preferred language, currency and homepage settings. Under Homepage you can set your preferred start category. For example, if you always want to start mass orders after logging in, select My Shop in the Dropbox. Change password. Use this to change your password. Address book. In the address book you can edit addresses and create new addresses, for example delivery addresses. You can then select these delivery addresses in the checkout area. My Orders. In this area, you can view your orders and save the order data in a CSV file. For example, for importing into your ERP system. My Customers, My Employees. To unlock these areas, please contact Inovatools. INO-tutorial videos are also available for this purpose. BM-ECAT Export CSV Export. You can use this to export the respective catalog data as BM-ECAT 2005 or 1.2 and as a CSV file in order to transfer this data to your systems. Picto descriptions. The names, descriptions, colors, applications and technical data of all Inovatools pictograms are listed here. Alternatively, you can see the description directly by mouse over of a pictogram in the article areas. Shipping times. The Inovatools shipping times. Log off. To unsubscribe from the INOSHOP, click here. Header. Search box. You can use the search field below the header to quickly search for terms. Shopping cart. The shopping cart and the items it contains are displayed here. Order. To complete your purchase, click Order. Complete your purchase in 4 steps. Newsletter. You can register for the newsletter here. Language. To change the language, select German, English or French here. INOSHOP, your portal for purchasing Inovatools items. Use this service from Inovatools and save a lot of time. Thank you and goodbye.